Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today we'll sort of call this a comfort food because it fits my definition. It's going to be meat in a creamy sauce. This time it's going to be with noodles vice rice. Trader Joe's. Started in 1957 as Pronto Markets in the greater Los Angeles area. Named Trader Joe's in about 1968. Today has over 560 stores across our great land. Now, we are very fond of it, and you've seen us use their products before, especially their unexpected cheddar. Oh, absolutely amazing stuff. We've also used their watermelon fruit spread to make, instead of cinnamon rolls, watermelon rolls. You can see that episode right there. Came out fantastic. So recently I was in a Trader Joe's restocking us on the unexpected cheddar and came across this. Some Trader Joe's Cajun Alfredo sauce. And I thought to myself, we like Alfredo, we like Cajun, we like pasta. So let's give this a try and see how it turns out. So, as always, all of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down below in the description section, but today's pretty simple, so you can trust me. Normally you don't trust what I say because there's so many ingredients and look at the recipe. Today I have a couple pounds of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, that are diced into bite-sized chunks. I have a couple pounds of kielbasa. In this case, it's our homemade kielbasa, which you can see that video right there. I have about 6 or 7 celery sticks that are diced up pretty finely here. 2 red bell peppers, because green bell peppers make the director cranky. Danger. So we use red. And 1 diced up sweet onion. That's all the ingredients. We're going to put these together and see what happens. Now, I will fix this before I finish this video, but yeah, we're going on the fly here. If this isn't enough sauce for me, or I find it too spicy for our delicate female companions in this house, then I'm going to add some heavy cream to get us more sauce and to lower the heat level a little bit. So there we go. Let's get it going. It's all going to happen over at the stove. Alrighty, here at the stove we have our water getting ready to boil here for our pasta, and the largest freaking skillet we can find. In there I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to get that on medium heat and add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Once that butter is all melted, in goes the chicken. My thoughts here are, I'm going to brown this chicken for 5 or 6 minutes. The chicken's going to leave some juices behind, which is going to enhance the flavor of the Holy Trinity, which is onions, peppers, and celery. A must for every Cajun dish.
Yes.
So we'll get the chicken in there, get it spread out on an even layer, and let it go 3 or 4 minutes on one side, then give it a stir, and get the other side done. Now I'll tell you, we accidentally set out bone-in, skin-on chicken instead of boneless, skinless chicken like I needed, so we had to take the meat off the bone. That left me with the skins. Now, I could just toss them, or I could get another skillet, get it on medium-high heat, get a couple tablespoons of oil there, and we'll cook up that skin and make us some chicken crackling. Yeah!
Yes! Yes!
As our chicken's cooking, get a pinch of salt and pepper on there. Or maybe 2. Chicken's been cooking about 3 minutes without us moving it. Now I'm going to give that a stir and get the rest of it browned up. Now I've gave it a taste test, and the sauce is not really that spicy at all. So if you do like your Cajun food with some heat, now would be a good time to get some cayenne pepper onto your chicken about the time right before you pull it off. But if you don't like the super heat and you just like taste, then just go like we are. Chicken's been going for about 6 minutes or so. Pretty much all the pink is gone. So I'm going to pull the chicken, set it aside in a bowl, but leaving behind all that juice. And I grabbed too small of a bowl for my chicken. All right, so we got the chicken out. Now we're going to put 2 more tablespoons of butter in. And our pan's already hot, so we're just going to chase that with our Trinity, which is going to be our onions, peppers, and celery. We're going to cook that for about 10 minutes or so until it cooks down a bit and gets nice and soft. Alrighty, our water is boiling. I'm going to cook our fettuccine for about 6 minutes or so. The instructions say 6 to 8 minutes. We want it a little al dente. Also, I'm using hatch green chili fettuccine. Of course, it's us. I'm also going to break those noodles in about half, just to make them easier to eat. And our Holy Trinity's been cooking for about 10 minutes, so now I'm going to add a healthy amount of garlic, because we love our garlic. Turn down the heat to medium-low on my vegetables here. Get that stirred in. And we're going to add our sausage and get that mixed in so they can start releasing their juices into the mixture. And we'll also return our chicken to the pot. Now in goes in the Cajun Alfredo sauce. The initial eyeballs on this are, I probably could have used 2 jars of this, but if we aren't happy with the amount of sauce we have, we'll just add some heavy cream to it. It does seem to be enough to coat everything. Ooh, smelling good. All right, we're just trying to get that concoction warm through. Then we are going to add in our fettuccine, get it all mixed up. Once we're happy with the texture of the fettuccine and the heat of the dish, it's time to serve. We'll see you then. All right, the dish has been simmering for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to bring in a new judge. This is my granddaughter, Evelyn, and she's going to tell you the truth. I'd like to know if you like the texture. Is it too spicy? Do you have good flavor? So give it a shot.
I think this is really good. The spiciness is perfect, unless you want it more spicy. But like you can always add some more spice.
Mm-hmm.
But overall, I think this is a delicious dish, and the chicken is perfect texture. It's very good.
Thank you very much. Okay, there you go. So remember, next time you're at Trader Joe's, maybe you want to pick up one of these. It was a really simple meal to do, and heck, I made a grandkid, almost a teenager, happy. So that's not easy to do. Hey, thank you so much for joining us, and until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.
Okay.